Cristiano Ronaldo is living a lavish lifestyle in Manchester. Well, it is impossible to guess the exact net worth of the world's most successful footballer, but it's somewhere around $500 million. So, how does the greatest athlete of all time spend his millions? And what are some of his super amazing purchases? Let's find out. Did you know Ronaldo has built a statue of himself which he keeps at his Manchester mansion? The statue is similar to his other CR7 statues with a price tag of $31,000. Ronaldo really loves living in Manchester, as he once said, "I love Manchester. Everyone knows that. I have said it many times. Manchester is in my heart." Later in this video, we are going to give you the details about Ronaldo's premium mega mansion located in Manchester and his other remarkable luxuries, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic, and in today's video, we are going to give you an inside look at Ronaldo's luxurious life in Manchester, so make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Ronaldo has managed to become the world's richest athlete of all time, as he is also quite a lot famous around the globe for his outstanding skills in football. He is also the most followed athlete on different social media platforms. Ronaldo loves to travel in style, and one of his most expensive traveling vehicles is his $32 million private jet. It is a Gulfstream private jet, and it is said to be capable of holding a dozen people per flight. So, this kind of luxury allows Ronaldo to rest and recuperate in style, which will undoubtedly assist him in furthering his career longevity. Additionally, Ronaldo has a great love for fashion, as you may have seen him in some of the most expensive custom-made designer outfits. Ronaldo seems to go with what he likes in the realms of fashion. Now, talking about his Manchester residence, Cristiano Ronaldo has found a temporary home in Manchester, and it's simply incredible. It's a huge $1 million mansion, and it's fully kitted out. The crazy part is that he's not actually paying for it. Manchester United is. Amazing, right? Later in this video, we're going to give you all the details about this exquisite mega mansion, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Owing to his bulging financial muscle, Ronaldo is not ashamed to flex his impressive collection of cars. Ronaldo's famous car collection includes the world's top super luxurious amazing cars worth more than $24 million. One of his most favorite expensive cars is his $4.7 million Bugatti Chiron. It is also one of the 500 customized cars made with his CR7 trademark. Along with that, he also owns a Bugatti Veyron and many other expensive luxury cars. Now, let's talk about his mega mansion at Manchester and how he lives a luxurious life over there. The mansion is estimated to cost around $4.1 million. The mansion is located just 15 miles away from Manchester United Stadium. The spacious residence is poised to attract another professional player or an avid fan. The mansion boasts incredible features, including a high-end fitness complex which Ronaldo can utilize to ensure he always stays in shape. A 6-strong security team is said to have been guarding the property since the arrival of the sports star in Manchester. According to the UK publications, the mega mansion boasts a number of incredible features, including a high-tech fitness complex complete with a jacuzzi and pool. The backyard of the house consists of a beautifully decorated lawn, gardens, and terrace where the family can have quality time with a lot of privacy. The interior decor of the house is intense, feeling both minimalist and dramatic due to the consistent use of black and white together. There are also some other luxury features of the house, which include a steam room and a family cinema room. And there are a total of 3 en-suite bedrooms, including a large master suite with 2 adjoining bathrooms and a walk-in closet. The mega mansion is the perfect match for someone like Cristiano Ronaldo, and we are sure he is enjoying every moment in the house. In addition to his Manchester mansion, Ronaldo's real estate portfolio is worth millions of dollars, which also includes a New York apartment, his most famous La Finica mansion, a 7-story mega mansion, and a holiday home next door to Conor McGregor. Ronaldo is truly a legend, and his lifestyle at Manchester is what many people crave to have. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about Ronaldo's millionaire lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.